Pranam बच्चों, we have completed part 1 and in part 1 we have done what is environment, the types of environment. Now in this part 2 session we are going to learn about waste, types of waste and which are the steps that we can take to prevent all type of pollution. So let's start our study. Waste. On the page number 105, sorry, 108, waste. All the things which are of no use and should be thrown away are called waste. This line you can underline. What are called waste? All the things which are of no use, जिस चीज़ की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है और वो फेंकने लायक है. These all things are called waste. They include things like vegetables waste and fruit peels, plastic wrappers, plastic bags, etc. It can come from our houses, schools, factories, industries, and construction activities, etc. ये सारी चीज़ें हर जगह हो सकती है. It's come from our houses, schools, factories, industries, construction activities, etc. So, what are called waste? All the things which are of no use and should be thrown away are called waste. Waste can be of two types. On the page number 107, waste can be two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. There are two types of waste: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So first type is biodegradable waste. The waste materials which can be decomposed by microbes in the soil are called biodegradable waste. You can underline this line that the what are called biodegradable waste? The waste materials which can be decomposed by microbes. सोयल के अंदर जो माइक्रोब्स होते हैं, जीव जंतु, वो वेस्ट मटेरियल्स को जो माइक्रोब्स थ्रू डिकम्पोज हो जाता है, जो सोयल में मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. These waste materials are broken down into harmless substances by microbes, then get mixed with the soil. So this type of waste materials are broken down into harmless substances by microbes. Soil में जो microbes होते हैं, microbes means the very tiny insects कि जो हम लाइव आई से नहीं देख सकते. वी नीड माइक्रोस्कोप टू सी देम. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड माइक्रोब्स. सो माइक्रोब्स के द्वारा वो ब्रोकन डाउन होते हैं इनटू द हार्मलेस, हार्म नहीं कर सकते ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस में, एंड फाइनली दे विल गेट मिक्सड विद द सोइल. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सच वेस्ट इंक्लूड पेपर, कार्टून्स, डिस्कार्टेड क्लोथ्स. डिस्कार्टेड मीन्स कि जो क्लोथ्स हम यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, अलग वो क्लोथ्स एक्सेट्रा. दे शुड बी डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ इन ग्रीन बिन्स. सो this is the you can underline this line that the biodegradable waste should be disposed of in green bins. Green bins, green dustbin for biodegradable waste. And which are the waste can be decomposed in green bins? That paper, cartoons, discarded clothes, etc. So green bins are garbage cans in which we are supposed to throw biodegradable waste. These discards can be collected later for safe disposal. Now, the second type is non biodegradable waste. The waste materials which cannot be decomposed by microbes in the soil and hence polluted the soil are called non biodegradable waste. सो बायो बायोडिग्रेडेबल में हमने क्या देखा कि जो वेस्ट मटेरियल्स इजीली डिकम्पोज हो जाते थे माइक्रोब्स थ्रू सॉइल में, उसको बोलते थे बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. बट हियर the waste materials which cannot be decomposed by microbes in the soil and hence और वो सॉइल को पल्यूट भी करता है, उस टाइप के वेस्ट को बोलते हैं नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. सो such their example are plastics and glass. Such type of fat should be decomposed of in blue bins. So green bins for biodegradable waste and blue bins for non-biodegradable waste. And it can be recycled. Some pesticides and insecticides are also non-biodegradable, so their excessive use can affect the soil badly as these remain in the soil for a long time. So कोई पेस्टिसाइड्स और इंसेक्टिसाइड्स भी नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल होते हैं, तो वो ज़्यादा टाइम अब हम कभी भी कोई भी जगह उसको फेंक देते हैं और ज़्यादा टाइम वो सॉइल में रहते हैं तो वो सॉइल को भी पल्यूट और हार्म कर सकते हैं. हियर time to answer on the page number 107. Here showed the different kinds of waste in the suitable column given below. So आपको यहाँ पर कुछ waste examples दिए गए. You have to separate them into biodegradable waste or non biodegradable waste. So first is onion peels. So onion peels can be decomposed by microbes into soil. So it is biodegradable waste. Next is plastic bottles. So these are non-biodegradable waste. It can't be decomposed. And next is fruit peels. So it is biodegradable waste. Next, newspaper. It is biodegradable waste. Next, soft drink cans. These are non-biodegradable waste. Next, leftover food. So these are biodegradable waste. Next is rotten leaves. These are biodegradable waste. Okay. Now our next topic is prevention of pollution. First is ways to control air pollution. So here we have learned that what is air pollution, what is noise pollution, what is soil pollution, water pollution, and we have also learned the effects of this type of pollution. Here we are going to learn the ways, which are the ways to prevent this type of pollution. So first is air pollution. Ways to control air pollution. We should plant more trees. This helps in purifying the air. Factories and industries should be shifted to remote areas. Remote areas means cities or villages से अलग दूर. सो फैक्ट्रीज और इंडस्ट्रीज से जो हार्मफुल स्मोक निकलते हैं, हार्मफुल वेस्टेजेस होते हैं, वो एयर में एयर को पल्यूट तो करते ही हैं, बट अगर वो सिटीज़ और विलेजेस से दूर होंगे तो हमारी सराउंडिंग में वो नहीं आ सकते. दैट्स वाई फैक्ट्रीज एंड इंडस्ट्रीज शुड बी शिफ्टेड टू रिमोट एरियाज. व्हीकल्स शुड बी रेगुलरली चेक्ड फॉर हार्मफुल emissions. Waste should not be disposed of by burning as the smoke produced cause air pollution. कोई भी कचरा, कभी कभी बहुत सारा कचरा होता है तो हम कभी कभी जला लेते हैं उसको, बट वी शुड नॉट डू लाइक दिस बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूस कॉज एयर पोल्यूशन. Now, ways to control water pollution. We should not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water bodies. Industrial waste or domestic swag should be treated, reprocessed first before it is discharged into rivers. Natural insecticides such as Baonim should be used since it does not harm the environment. Traditional natural fertilizers like animal dung and compost should be preferred over chemical fertilizers. So instead of chemical fertilizer, we should use natural fertilizers, that animal dung. Farmers should be made aware that the chemical fertilizers are harmful for soil. Farmers को अवेयर करना चाहिए कि केमिकल्स फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ कम से कम करें बिकॉज इट कैन harmful for soil. We should reduce the use of plastics. Technique to reuse and recycle what should improve the used in as many ways as possible. So we should learn the techniques of reuse or recycle the waste, and these are improved and used in many ways as possible. Now the next two ways to control soil pollution. Most of the steps that we need to take for controlling soil pollution are the same as for controlling water pollution. Factory waste should be reproduced before it is released in how low-lying areas. More trees should be planted to prevent soil erosion. Ways to control noise pollution. Machinery should be designed in such a way that they make less noise. So, ऐसी मशीनरी बनानी चाहिए कि जो जिसमें से कम आवाज़ आए. लाउड स्पीकर्स ब्लैरिंग out loud music, powerful stereo systems in cars are already prohibited by law. These laws should be enforced more strictly. No horn zones should be created near hospitals, schools, etc. हॉस्पिटल और स्कूल के आसपास क्या होना चाहिए? नो हॉर्न जोन. ब्लोइंग ऑफ हॉर्न शुड बी स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड देयर. सो हॉस्पिटल और स्कूल के पास तो बिल्कुल भी हॉर्न्स की आवाज़ होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. Planting trees and shrubs along road, hospitals, etc. reduces noise to considerable extent. सो रोड पर और हॉस्पिटल के आसपास ट्रीज और श्रब की प्लांटिंग करनी चाहिए. इट विल रिड्यूस द नॉइज. नाउ अगेन टाइम टू आंसर. On the page number 109, we should plant less trees. This statement is false because we should plant more trees. Second, we should not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water bodies. So here the statement is right. We should reduce the use of plastic. Reduce means कम करना. So this statement is also right. हमें प्लास्टिक का यूज़ कम करना चाहिए. Soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees. This statement is also correct. Soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees. So here some definitions are given here. The pollution, presence of introduction of harmful substances into our environment which makes it dirty, Deforestation, large scale of cutting down of trees. जब लार्ज अमाउंट में ट्रीज को कट करा जाता है तो वो जगह पर फॉरेस्ट का नष्ट हो जाता है, उसे बोलते हैं डिफॉरेस्टेशन. बायोडिग्रेडेबल, waste materials that can be decomposed by microbes, and non-biodegradable waste materials that cannot be decomposed by microbes. Now I know in this chapter all living and non-living things around us make our environment. The process of making air, water and land dirty and contaminated is called pollution. Waste is all those things which are of no use and being thrown away by us. Waste can be categorized into two: biodegradable and non biodegradable. We should try to save the environment by recycling things, planting trees, and saving fuel. So, children, we have completed this chapter. In our live session is compulsory to attend, because in live session we are going to do all the exercises. I will give the explanation of all the exercises, and I will also solve your doubts, your confusion, and it's compulsory to attend. And आपको लाइव क्लासेस में टाइम से आना है. जिनका टाइम 9 o'clock है उनको 9 o'clock लॉग इन हो जाना है. जिनका 10 o'clock है उनको 10 o'clock लॉग इन हो जाना है. नो वन विल अलाउड टू कम लेट. ओके, एंड you have to come with you have to do your homework regularly. Okay, children, take care, have a nice